Hey everyone! Do you want to change your relationship status on Facebook? In this video, I'll show you how to update it quickly and easily. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile picture at the top right of the screen to go to your profile. Now click on Edit Profile. You'll see a screen with different options. Scroll down to the Personal Details section. Under Personal Details, tap Relationship Status. A new screen will appear. Tap the drop-down arrow and select your new relationship status from the list. I choose Single. You can also choose who can see it. Options include Public, Friends, or Only Me. Once you're done, tap Save. Your updated relationship status will now appear on your Facebook profile.